Yo, this actually looks like a GTR. What the heck?
I said it before and I'll say it again.
What is up, bros? First of all, before I show you guys how we get into the video on how to do what the title says, I know it sounds really good, like too good to be true, but let's just move the car inside the house. And today what we're also gonna do, which is kind of part of the process, and you guys, I'm gonna allow you guys to like call me out and just give me a hard time in the comment section about this. I'm finally gonna wash my Z, and I really don't want to talk about how long it's been. It's been at least 2 to 3 months since I last washed my Z. That's really bad. Guys, just look how beautiful this car looks. Oh my goodness. Like from far away, just every angle. Alright, let me stop talking about the Z and how good it looks, and let's get right to why you guys clicked on this video. I feel like that was some kind of like grand reveal. As you guys can see right here, I have vinyl wrap. I have black vinyl wrap. So as you can already guess, I'm gonna vinyl wrap this right here. I'm gonna vinyl wrap the side pillars, just like the GTRs do. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen Z's with that pillar right there blacked out, so then the whole car's like all black right there. Like the GTR, if you guys haven't, I'm gonna put up a bunch of pictures right now. If somebody doesn't know about cars, honestly, if they look at it quick, they're probably gonna think it's a GTR, then be like, oh, that's a Z. But it looks so cool, it makes the car look so much better. So after this install, if it turns out great and you guys end up liking it, I really encourage you guys to do it. That vinyl cost me 30 bucks. Forgot the website, but you can basically just type in 3M gloss black vinyl wrap, and there's like 5x4 and things like that. That's just a little strip that I cut out, which I think is like too small for this, but I have a big strip, so it doesn't really matter. And I think if this turns out good, the next thing I'm gonna do is black out the roof with the vinyl wrap. But I'm probably not gonna do it myself. I already tried to do it once, and I think we spent all night trying to do it, and we couldn't do it, guys. It was so bad and so hard. So I just ended up doing the mirrors. But yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm just gonna vinyl wrap the side pillars right here. I don't know what you call this. I'm just gonna call it pillars, or I don't know, pillar A, pillar B. I think that's B and that's A. Not sure, but give this video a big thumbs up if you think it's gonna turn out great. And yeah, we're gonna see after. Hopefully it's not too hard. I mean, why I'm doing it myself, because it's pretty easy. It's literally just like line straight down. Down here it gets kind of complicated, but we'll figure it out, guys. Get right to cleaning this first and wiping it down, drying it, and then trying to apply the vinyl. I also have to redo my mirrors, because as you guys can see right there, I did kind of a really bad job. So I just finished cleaning it. Now I'm gonna dry it up a little bit, but I think I'm still gonna leave it kind of wet for the vinyl to not just stick directly and just kind of be able to move it around. I'm really nervous for this, because last time I vinyl wrap, guys, it's tough. Like if you're not used to it and you don't know how to do it correctly, it's kind of tough. So hopefully this isn't that tough. It should be pretty easy, actually. But yeah, bros, this $30 mod will make your Z look like a GTR and just make your Z so much cleaner. Also, another thing I recommend on buying, you should buy Squeegees. I think these, I bought it from eBay, I think. And they were like $5 for 2, which is gonna make the job a lot easier, and something that you should get when you're gonna do vinyl jobs and things like that. Also, guys, I'm not really gonna explain too well how I'm gonna do this. I mean, like I said, this is on like my second or third time doing it. You guys can't see me. So just kind of follow what I'm doing. I'll kind of guide you, but I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing is correct, so just be aware of that. So, okay, so first of all, obviously we're gonna go ahead and take the vinyl off the paper. Oh, that's actually so satisfying. There we go. So I'm just gonna find a spot where it's gonna best fit. I think right here. Right here. That's good. Just kind of put it where you want it to fall, so you don't have to do that much cutting, and just put it really towards the edge. As you guys can see right here, I sort of had to twist it, so because that thing was too thin, it wasn't thick enough. So I'm gonna see how I can figure this out. I mean, I don't think twisting is a good idea, because I'm already making a lot of like bubbles and stuff. Let's see what I can figure out. I think right now I'm just gonna start using the squeegee, and I think I'm gonna bring a bottle of water and just really water it down and start making the surface clean and neat and things like that. Also, I just remembered, I don't know how I forgot this, you need a heat gun, but if you're like me, you're gonna go ahead and use your mom's hair dryer, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I actually just ended up doing one side by myself so I can figure it all out, and then I was gonna do the next side showing you guys how to do it. But now that I'm looking at it, I don't know how I feel about it. Like seriously, I don't really know, because there's different blacks to the car. Like the thing next to the side mirrors is black, but not really black. So here it is, guys. Let me know what you think. I mean, it still makes the car look amazing and like a GTR, like I said. And there's like a little piece that I still have to patch up, but just let me know what you think, alright? Here it is. As you guys can see right there, that's what it turned out like. But bros, if you guys look at it from like an angle like this one right here, tell me that doesn't look like a GTR. Like just for a split second, that like upper part right there just looks just like a GTR. Which is something really cool that I saw Onesie one time have it. I was like at AutoZone and he parked right next to me and I was like, that's actually really cool. And with my car I thought it would look really nice, which it does. But I don't know how to feel about it. I don't know. Look, even from here, even that angle right there looks like a GTR. And I know I keep comparing it to a GTR, but it's because it's the title of the video. But it makes it look so clean. Like it doesn't look bad. Like if you look at it, it doesn't look bad. And I also feel like I have to get a darker tint. I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell by camera. No, you guys can't really tell. Well, sort of. That is darker than that, and that doesn't really work. I should get like a 5% and then that, then it'll be super nice. I think it'll look nice at night, but like during the day, it kind of just doesn't go together. Like the GTR is all dark. Like from here, oh gosh. That's so nice. Only on camera and certain angles though. I want the car to look nice from every angle. So I would have to basically get a 5% on the front, 5% on the side. I don't know if I should get the roof. Now that I think about it, I should just get like the 5% on every side, on like the side windows, because it's just gonna go flush. Right now it's like a little bit too dark and then not dark enough. So I have the squeegee in my hand and I'm gonna try to show you guys kind of how to do it. So as you saw, I think I left off the clip by me putting it down. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab one hand, you're gonna stretch it out, and with the squeegee you're gonna squish it out like that way, then down, then that way, then down, then that way, and just make your way down here. Talk about video interruptions right here. Look at that. It's one of those things that look nice, but I have to get everything done correctly for it to look super nice. Also, another thing you're gonna need, I think it's called the knife tape or knifeless tape. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna put it up on the screen right now, the real name of it, but it's like a tape you put and then you take off part of the tape and it cuts the vinyl so you can easily cut it out, instead of like I was trying to do it with, where's, oh, right here it is. I was trying to do it with this and cut the vinyl with this, and yeah, I didn't think that through correctly. Really bad idea. Then you can put it like around the borders of where you're gonna cut it, and then up here, down here, you're also gonna need to put the knifeless tape. Okay, here you go. You won. Am I gonna consider this a fail? I'm gonna say no, I am not, because this actually doesn't look bad, but I feel I'm gonna take my time and do it another day. I just really wanted to share this idea with you guys, and I spent like, I think this took me like 30 or 40 minutes. And I really just wanted to show you guys this because I feel like a lot of you guys are gonna like how it looks, and your tint's probably darker than mine. And I feel this looks best on a white Z or my color Z. I mean, if you have a white Z or my color, I mean, as you can see, look at that. That's so sick. Alright, Gita, I think it's time to introduce you to the vlog, okay? Since you're always interrupting. Guys, this is my dog. Her name is Akira, Akira if you want to say it in English. And as you can see, she loves to play fetch. So, bros, Akira, bros. The Z does look really clean, guys, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and finish it another time. Another time where I have enough money to tint the windows a little bit darker. I don't know if I'm going to go 5%, but right now I'm like at 15, so I might go like 10%. Something just a little bit darker so it just complements the black, gloss black pillar better. Seriously though, in the comments below, let me know if you guys are gonna go ahead and do this. So now I think we're gonna go ahead and take the wrap off, and I promise you guys, I promise you guys, I'm gonna do this another time and just better. I just really wanted to show you guys this. I know it's pretty sad, but I want to do it right. I feel like without the knifeless tape, I really messed it up. I mean, if you guys see these corners right here, this is just disgusting. I mean, look at that. See how uneven it is? That's just really bad, and to tuck that in is gonna be really hard. So make sure you get that tape. Like, I should have really gotten that. I thought I had that with the blade, but no, get the tape. Learn from my mistakes. Alright guys, so I just drove the car out here to get a good thumbnail, and so you guys can also get like a better look from like all around and far away and things like that. As you can see, definitely makes the car look so much better. Like I emphasize on this channel, little details like that just make the Z look. Should you guys do it? Definitely. So it took me 30 to 40 minutes to do this, guys, and it's gonna take me like 5 seconds to undo it. I really don't want to, but I have to. This is one of the most satisfying things I've ever done. So I actually went ahead and decided to end the video to it so I can just go ahead and get it edited and ready for you guys. And just like that, guys, this video is coming to an end. I really hope I was able to help out a lot of you guys. In case you've never seen that before, go ahead and do it. I mean, I encourage you guys to at least try it out. I mean, the vinyl wrap, like I already said, it's $20 to $30, which is extremely cheap. And then the squeegee is $5, and then the tape is probably $5 to $10. So I mean, it's really not that much, and it changes the appearance of the car so much more. And people are gonna think you have a GTR, so I mean, that's always a plus. But being serious, bros, if you enjoy this type of video, just cheap mods that make your Z look really nice, like the tire letterings and what I just did this video, make sure you let me know in the comments below. I can probably look some more up, and maybe like each month, once a month, we can do like one mod or something like that, however you guys would like. Also, let me know if you guys like it, how it looks on my Z, and just let me know if it actually looks like a GTR. Just make sure you let me know. Anyway, guys, like I already said, that pretty much wraps up the video. I mean, I just really wanted to show you guys that idea, and just me doing it, kind of show you guys how to do it. It's pretty easy, trust me. With that said, bros, enough talking. I should have like 2 or 3 videos this week for you guys. There's the first one. Next one should be pretty nice, and then one next after that, you guys are gonna like it a lot. So make sure you guys stay tuned for those videos. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, I really don't know what you're doing with your life. Like, why are you not subscribed yet? I'm just kidding, but make sure you subscribe. Let's try to reach 10K before the year ends, guys. I mean, we can do it. I know we can. Make sure you leave a thumbs up on the video, comment below if you would like, share with your friends, please. Tell them to subscribe, join the family, and yeah. Actually, I can't do this inside the car. There we go, that's how I do my outros. And of course, guys, like always, from Brittany and I, we'll see you guys next time.